Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Crusades. These were a series of religious wars, primarily between European Christians and Muslims, spanning over 2 centuries. They began around the 11th century, driven by a desire to control holy sites in the Middle East, most notably Jerusalem. We'll explore the complex motivations, the major players involved, and the lasting impact these conflicts had on both Western and Eastern societies. Get ready to dive into a pivotal period of history. The motivations for joining the Crusades were diverse, ranging from deep religious conviction to the promise of land and wealth. Popes played a crucial role, offering spiritual incentives like the remission of sins to those who took up the cross. This call resonated across Europe, drawing in not just powerful kings and nobles, but also countless ordinary men and women, all united by a shared, albeit complex, purpose. The Crusades were not a single event, but a series of campaigns, each with its own unique trajectory and consequences. Battles were incredibly fierce, leading to immense casualties on all sides. Beyond the conflict, these interactions also spurred significant cultural exchange and trade between Europe and the Middle East, introducing new ideas, goods, and technologies that profoundly shaped both regions for centuries to come. The legacy of the Crusades is undeniably complex and continues to be debated by historians today. These conflicts profoundly influenced the religious and political maps of both Europe and the Middle East, leaving an indelible mark on their respective identities. Understanding this period helps us grasp many current geopolitical dynamics. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.